Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to resolve Windows update stuck at a random percentage. If you find this video helpful, consider a like and subscribing to the channel. Okay, let's dive in. Now first of all, method number 1 is clear the Windows update cache. In order to do it, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Now here, type services.msc. As you can see, now press enter. Okay. Now here find Windows Update. Just scroll down to the bottom and you will see it here. Now right click with your mouse and click on stop. Now again press Windows plus R. Now this time type over here percentage windir %/software distribution. Don't worry, I will put all the programs in the description. Now just press OK. Okay, now here select all the file, right click with your mouse and click on delete. Delete all the file here. Now after that, again press Windows plus I on your computer and write services.msc. Press enter. Again find here Windows Update. Here it is. Right click with your mouse and click on start. And that's it. Now method number 2, run the system file checker. In order to do this, just go on the search bar and type command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Okay. Now here you have to type this command. I'm going to show you. 1 minute. Okay. Now sfc /scannow. Copy this command. Don't worry, I will leave the programs in the description. Okay. Type sfc /scannow and press enter. As you can see, it is scanning. After the scan is completed, again open command prompt and click on run as administrator. This time paste this command dism /online/cleanup image /restorehealth. Paste this command and press enter. Restart your computer after the scans are complete. So that's it. Moving on to method number 3, perform a clean boot. Now in order to do this, just press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Here type msconfig. As you can see, now press enter. Okay. Just go over here on services, check this box, hide all Microsoft services. After that, just click on disable all and click on OK. Now go on the search bar and type task manager, open it. Go to startup apps and disable all the startup programs. One by one disable all the startup programs. And after doing all these steps, restart your computer and retry the update. Now finally, moving on to the last method. Go on the search bar, open command prompt click on Run as Administrator. Select yours. Now here, enter these commands. I will provide this in the description. Okay, as you can see, the program is working. After that, pretty much your issue will be solved. So that's it for the video. That's how you can resolve Windows update stuck at a random percentage. If you follow all these steps, your problem will be 100% fixed. That's it for the video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching.